Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. How are you today?
Good morning, sir. We are fine, thank you.
Alhamdulillah. Before we begin our lesson, let us pray together according to our beliefs. I'm reading. Thank you. Let's take your attention and make sure you are ready for today's lesson. Today we will learn about length and distance in coordinate geometry. Before we start, let's read our learning objective. At the end of the lesson, students are able to one is determine the distance between 2 points using the distance formula. 2. Evaluate the distance formula in solving problems. 3. Solve coordinate geometry problems accurately. Do you understand our objectives, students?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The slide is motivation. Class, have you ever used Google Maps?
Yes, sir.
Why do we use Google Maps?
To find direction, to know the distance between places.
Excellent. For example, when you want to know how far our house is from school, Google Maps can calculate the distance. Now imagine that location on a map are represented by point on a coordinate plane. If we know the coordinate of 2 points, can we determine the distance between them?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Today we will learn how mathematics help us find the exact distance between 2 points. Okay. In the slide one, read the message today. Before the name concept, let's recap of previous lesson. Determine the type of line format. One is A 2.3 and B 7.3 to which is C min 1.2 and D min 1.6 and 3 is A 1.1 and F 4.1. Who can answer number 1?
Number one is
Excellent. Number 2?
vertical line.
Very good. Number 3? Great job. Now, let's learn how to find the distance between 2 points. 2 points we have 2 points. The distance between 2 points is D equals square to x2 minus x1 square plus y2 min y1 square. This formula comes from the Pythagorean theorem is a square plus b square equals c square. And to set is what identify coordinate to statistical values 3 symbol p 4 in the distance. The horizontal distance measured on set counterpart angle and the vertical distance measures another stack. Therefore, we can find the distance between 2 points in this formula. Okay, so the now is example. Let's solve an example together. We find the distance between A 1.2 and B 5.5. First, identify the coordinate. This x1 is equals 1 and y1 is equal 2 and x2 equals 5 and y2 equals 5. Now, substitute into the formula this solution is 5. Therefore, the distance between the 2 points is 5 units. Did everyone understand, students?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Now this practice. Now let's try another example together. In the distance between A mean 2.1 and D 4.5.
X1 is equals mean 2.
Yeah.
Y1 equals 1. X2 equals more. And Y2 equals 5.
Excellent. Now, substitute into the formula that to x1, y1, x2, and y2 is the answer is y. Okay. Then we okay. Now is group activity. Now what with the suddenly said you when the distance between A 1.2 and B 5.6. You have what we need. That's one. Okay, time is up. Who would like to share the answer?
D equal root of 32. D equal 4 root of 2.
Yes. Excellent work. Okay, then the next slide is the translation. The what have we learned? The distance between 2 points and the one is in the distance formula. The formula comes from the Pythagorean theorem, and it is useful in maths, engineering, construction, and navigation. Okay, let's go to the definition. What formula do we use to determine the distance between points? Distance formula. What is the formula?
D equals root of x2 mean x1 square plus y2 mean y1 square.
Excellent. Why is this formula related to the Pythagorean theorem?
Because it form
Right triangle. Correct. Okay. In next slide is evaluation. Before we end as well this question, in the distance between A 2.3 and B 8.2. This challenge is can resolve it in less than 1 minute.
D equals 2 root of f3.
Very good, everyone. Today we learned is to determine the distance between 2 points using the distance formula and how it can behave in real life situation. Thank you for your participation. Let us end our lesson by saying Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah. Thank you everyone. Thank you God. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.